Hey everyone, AJ with SoftWash Systems back here doing a video, and I've got Peter Kogler here and Joe Rogers in from Texas, and Peter just got done going through Top Gun school this week with Joe, one of our pro staff. Joe did a great job this week, hands-on, one-on-one, extreme, real in-depth training, how to use his whole truck. He just got done buying what we kind of nickname as the Mac Daddy, the maxed out piece of equipment with the nice brand new truck, going through learning how to use the whole thing, stem to stern, what happens if he breaks it, how to fix it, how to do everything with the truck, how to use it in every situation. And Joe did such a great job. But Peter, man, I just want to thank you so much for coming out and spending all this time with us. Peter, you know, he's been here like 3 times in the last 2 months. He's kind of joking now. It's like a home away from home to him. But thank you so much, man. You did such a great job. You know, spin around and sport the jacket for everybody. He's got his nice Top Gun jacket on.
Official.
Oh yeah, super official. He's going to be able to wear the Top Gun jacket at events like SoftWash and show off to people. Yeah, show off to people and kind of flex on them. Be like, yeah, I went to Top Gun school. I know what I'm doing. So
yeah, well, it's the beginning of a real adventure, and I thank everybody for getting me off to a good start. And Joe for his depth of experience and advice, and
pleasure
showing everything. So we're ready to get going.
Awesome, Peter. Hey, if you want the most hands-on, in-depth training you could possibly get and are looking to become a part of the SoftWash Systems tribe, you need to check out and think about coming to Top Gun school so you know how to use your equipment, how to fix your equipment, and everything you need to do in the field before you get out there and start trying to do your first job. So thank you so much. We'll see you next time.